Right, this is outside my apartment here in DeKalb, and I have never seen this many Canada geese. I got a gap there. There we go. I have not seen this many Canada geese in one place in my entire life. There has to be close to 120 birds. There's a bunch of them ready to take off. And what they've been doing is they've been taking off and then landing. It's like somebody forgot to tell the leader bird, hey, we're ready to go. Oh, whoops, we left somebody behind. That's a lot of birds, man.